Alright guys, so today I've got something pretty sweet for you. The Redragon K596 Pro. This isn't just another keyboard. It's a TKL mechanical keyboard packed with features, and honestly, it's been blowing my mind a little bit. First off, the connectivity is insane. We're talking tri-mode here. Wired USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer who needs that zero-latency wired connection, or you want to kick back on the couch and game on your smart TV, this keyboard has you covered. Switching between modes is super easy too. Now let's talk about the build. It's a tanky-less design, which is perfect for saving desk space, and it's got this really nice, solid feel to it. Plus, they've included a magnetic wrist rest, which is a lifesaver for those long gaming sessions. It just snaps right on, super convenient. But here's where things get really interesting: hot swappable sockets. It comes with Redragon's own red switches, which are linear and pretty quiet, but if you're a switch enthusiast like me, you can swap them out for practically any other 3-pin or 5-pin switch you want. It's a game changer for customization. And speaking of customization, let's talk macros. This bad boy has 10 dedicated macro keys, 5 conveniently placed near the WASD keys and another 5 up top. You can program them to do pretty much anything, from single keystrokes to complex combos. It's a huge advantage in games where quick actions are key. The battery life is also impressive. Redragon claims up to 10 hours of playtime, and honestly, I've been using it for a while now, and it's definitely holding up. No more constantly swapping batteries or worrying about running out of juice mid-game. Now, is it perfect? Well, almost. While the wrist rest is great, it's plastic, so a little upgrade there would be nice. But honestly, for the price, this keyboard is an absolute steal. You're getting premium features like tri-mode connectivity, hot swappable sockets, and dedicated macro keys, all in a compact and well-built package. So who is this keyboard for? I'd say it's perfect for gamers, obviously, but also anyone who wants a versatile and customizable keyboard for everyday use. Whether you're typing up essays, coding, or just browsing the web, the Redragon K596 Pro is a solid choice. If you're looking for a new keyboard and you're on a budget, definitely check this one out. I've been seriously impressed with it, and I think you will too. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.